Hi, my name is Deanna Green, and I'll be explaining the order of operations. Order of operations. This information is going to explain PEMDAS, or order of operations, as some of you might like to call it. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, as you can see here. So, when you have a math problem that involves more than one operation, for example, addition and subtraction, or subtraction and multiplication, you may ask, which do you do first? For example, 6 minus 3 times 2. You would think, do I do subtraction first and do 6 minus 3 and then have 3 and then do 3 times 2 and then have 6 as your answer? Or multiplication, where you do 3 times 2 equals 6 and then have 6 minus 6, which equals 0 as your answer. You would use PEMDAS. You go in exactly that order, except multiplication doesn't necessarily go before division. It goes from left to right. So, if division goes before multiplication when you read it left to right, division will go first. The same goes for addition and subtraction. If you read addition and subtraction left to right and subtraction goes first, then that's the operation that you will use first. One way to memorize it is by using "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." It may sound silly, but it really does work. The P stands for please, E stands for excuse, M stands for my, D stands for dear, A stands for aunt, and S stands for Sally. In the previous example, we were dealing with multiplication and subtraction. So, 6 minus 3 times 2. You would do 3 times 2 and get 6, and then bring down the other 6, and you would do 6 minus 6, and then the answer would be 0. Let's try another example. How about 30 divided by 5 times 2 plus 1? First, let's cancel out the few that we don't have. There are no parentheses, no exponents, and no subtraction. We start with multiplication and division, working from left to right, as I said before. So you would do 30 divided by 5, which is 6, and you have 6 times 2, and that answer is 12. Then you do 12 plus 1, which is 13. Now you've done order of operations. Woo! Good job. Now, for the advanced students, let's do one with all the operations. Let's see. 5 plus 4 minus 2, which are in parentheses, squared, times 3 divided by 6 minus 1. First you do 4 minus 2, since those are in the parentheses, and parentheses goes first. It's the P in PEMDAS, which is 2. So you have 5 plus 2 squared times 3 divided by 6 minus 1. Now you do 2 squared, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. Then you have 5 plus 4 times 3 divided by 6 minus 1. Notice that after you do every operation, you bring down everything else and don't touch them. So, then you have 5 plus 4 times 3 divided by 6 minus 1. So you do 4 times 3, which is 12. After that, you have 5 plus 12 divided by 6 minus 1. So you do 12 divided by 6, which is 2. We're almost done. Hang in there. Now you have 5 plus 2 minus 1. So 5 plus 2 is easy, 7. And 7 minus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6. Let's go over this just one more time. You have 5 plus 4 minus 2 in parentheses squared times 3 divided by 6 minus 1. You bring down the 2 squared. You have 5 plus 2 squared times 3 divided by 6 minus 1. 2 squared is 4, so you have 5 plus 4 times 3 divided by 6 minus 1. 4 times 3 is 12. So you have 5 plus 12 divided by 6 minus 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So you bring down everything else, including the 2. 5 plus 2 minus 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. If you thought that was interesting, go to funbrain.com to access more order of operations and other algebra games. Bye!